Everyone, welcome back. In my previous video, I encouraged everyone to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to make a tutorial on the 20th Century Fox intro song. But before we get into today's tutorial, I want to tell you something brief about my next video. From the poll I posted yesterday, as at now I have 3 votes, and 3 votes giving 100% that I should make a tutorial on the Tom and Jerry theme song after this one. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the Tom and Jerry intro song tutorial when it drops. Let's get back into today's tutorial. Let's begin. The right hand. D, F. This is E flat and G flat. So let me do that again. Now the left hand. Let me do it again. So this is B flat, D, F, G. Then the bass with this is C, E flat, G, B flat with G, B flat, E flat, then F, A, E flat with F in the left hand. Then C, E flat, F sharp, B flat. Then a bass.